Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly groundbreaking to share with you. The 3 best robot dogs of 2024. If you want to see more information on the updated price, check the product links in the description box. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BG1533 Robot Dog Toy. The robotic puppy toy will attract your attention like a real dog. If you haven't chosen any function after turn on, the smart puppy will do some stun actions and make the dog voice like woof to remind you to play with it. Meanwhile, if you touch its chin, the electronic dog will respond you by voice and actions. The robot dog has learned 3 different songs and dances. When you choose the dance mode, the puppy will dance to a piece of rhythmic music. Of course, when you press the sing button, the robot dog will sing a children's song and display simple actions. Repress the same button, they will switch the dances or songs automatically. You can program the robot dog to perform according to your demands, and then it will play back your demands like forward plus push plus, sit down plus dancing or other action. The smart dog will record up to 100 commands. It will help your kids use their imagination and creativity to practice simple programming. Number 2. Big Shoe Robot Electronic Dog. This smart children's remote control dog is made of high-quality, non-toxic ABS plastic, does not contain BPA, and has a smooth surface that will not hurt children's hands when playing. This smart robot dog is so easy to use, and it's an exciting gift for kids above 3 years old to play with and will be your kid's good companion. It will be your kid's good companion and create endless happy moments. You can program the robot dog to perform according to your demands. Then the dog will repeat what you programmed, handstand, push-ups, sing and dance, sit down, and so on. Touch the head of the dog, it will make cute moves and sounds and interact with you. It can be a great companion for kids. Number 3. Freenove Robot Dog Kit. This is a programmable robot dog kit, which has multiple functions. Whether you want to experience the joy of robots or learn to program, this is a good choice. This robot dog has multiple functions. With its fluid movements, realistic barks, and the ability to respond to commands, you'll be amazed at the lifelike behavior you can achieve. So, whether you're looking for a fun project or aiming to hone your robotic skills, the Robot Dog Kit is a perfect choice. Unleash your creativity and dive into the world of robotics. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed exploring the Robot Dog Kit with me, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks.